Hi Metals, today we are looking at how to write numbers in its expanded form. Okay, so we're looking at its expanded form, and this brings our place value knowledge into it. So the first thing we're going to look at is just looking at our numbers in our numbered form, so not in our worded form. So we've got the number 16, 656, and 5,432. So we're going to write these three numbers in their expanded form, and we're going to use our MAB blocks to help us with a place value chart. Okay, so we're going to use this to help us. So the first thing we're going to look at is the number 16. So we're going to look at the ones column first, so we know that the 6 is in the ones column and the 1 is in the tens column. Alright, so our ones, we know that we have 6 ones. Alright, so we can see there we've got 6 ones. And then we have 1 10. So we know we've got 10 little ones all bunched in together to make 1 10. So when we're writing our expanded form for 16, we're going to put 10 plus 6 because we have 1 10. So we just have to write the number 10 plus, and we have 6 1, so we've got the number 6. So we're now going to have a look at 656. So we're going to look at our ones column again. So we've got 6 ones, we've got our 5 tens. I need to put 5 longs in. And we know that if we counted by tens, we would have 5, and we know that the 5 is representing 50. So if we count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So we know that the 5 tens equals 50. Alrighty, we're now going to look in the hundreds column, and we have 6 hundreds. Okay, so we're going to put 6 flats in there. So we'll have 6 of them. We'll have to squish them in, like so. Okay, and we can see that if we counted by hundreds, we'd have 600. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Alright, so to write in our expanded form for 656, we'd have 600 plus 50 plus 6. And that's how we write 656 in our expanded form. We're now going to have a go at writing 5,432, and we can do it on our place value chart first. So we're going to look at the ones. We need only 2 ones. I'm just going to get rid of the ones I don't need. So I've got 2 ones. I need 3 tens. So you can see I've got 3 tens there now. I need 4 hundreds. Excellent. So you can see we've got our 4 hundreds. And we need 5 thousands. We're going to get our big blocks. We need 5 of them. Just as before, if we counted by thousands, we would have 5,000. So 5 of these equal 5,000. So 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So now we can write it in our expanded form. Okay. So we've got 5,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. So we can see that our expanded form for 5,432 is 5,000 plus 4,000 plus 30 and plus 2. We're now going to have a look at the same numbers again, but they are worded. So we're not looking at numbers with digits. We're looking at worded numbers. So you will have some worded numbers in the flow of the day that you will be expanding into its expanded form. So again, simply the same thing. If the word is 16, we know that there is 1 10 and 6 ones. So we go 10 plus 6. Same with 656. We know we have 600. And we know we've got 50 plus our 6. Alright. Same with our 5,432. We've got our 5,000. Tells us we've got 400. So we need to write the number 400. And it tells us we have 30 plus our 2 ones. There you go. And that's the task for today. Enjoy it and good luck.